The Statue of Unity is a monument under construction dedicated to Indian independence movement leader Vallabhbhai Patel, located in the Indian state of Gujarat. With a planned height of 182 meters, it will be located facing the Narmada Dam, 3.2 kilometers away on the river island called Sutar near Vadodara in Gujarat. This statue is planned to be spread over 20,000 square meters of project area and will be surrounded by an artificial lake spread across 12 kilometers of area. It would be the world's tallest statue when completed. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Rashtriya Ekta Trust, a special-purpose vehicle, was established by the Gujarat government, and the outreach program across India was carried out starting December 2013. Initially, the total cost of the project was estimated to be about by the government. Later, Larsen Toubro won the contract in October 2014 for its lowest bid for the design, construction and maintenance. The construction was started on October 31, 2014. Outreach. The project was first announced on October 7, 2010. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Rashtriya Ekta Trust, a special-purpose vehicle, was established by the Gujarat government for construction of the statue. The iron needed for the statue and other structures was to be collected from farmers of villages all around India in a form of donation of their used farming instruments. SPRT set up 36 offices across India to collect these iron instruments, wherein over 500,000 Indian farmers are expected to donate. The drive was named the Statue of Unity Movement. There was to be a 3-month-long nationwide campaign to collect iron pieces from 6 lakh villages to build the statue. During this period, over 5,000 metric tons of iron were collected. Although it was initially announced that the iron collected will be used for the main statue, it later emerged that the collected iron will not be used in construction of the actual statue and will instead be used for some other part of the project. The Statue of Unity movement was organized a Swaraj petition wherein people wrote about their ideas for the good governance. The Swaraj petition was signed by an estimated 20 million people, which was the world's largest petition signed. A marathon entitled Run for Unity was held on December 15, 2013 in several places throughout India. The marathon had a large turnout and sign-ups before the event reported thousands of registrations. Project. The monument statue of Vallabhbhai Patel is being constructed facing the Narmada Dam, 3.2 kilometers away on the river island called Sutar. The total height of the statue from its base will be 240 meter, consisting base level of 58 meter and statue of 182 meter. It is being constructed with steel framing, reinforced cement concrete and bronze coating. The statue will need 75,000 cubic meters of concrete, 5,700 metric ton steel structure, 18,500 ton reinforced steel rods, 22,500 ton bronze sheets for construction. In the first phase, a bridge connecting the memorial to the mainland, a memorial, visitor center buildings, a memorial garden, a hotel, a convention center, an amusement park, research centers and institutes is being constructed. The Statue of Unity is being designed as a naturalistic and historically accurate representation of Sardar Patel, wearing characteristic garments, in a walking stance. Some highlights of this project. Finance. The monument is being built on a PPP model, with most of the money raised by Gujarat government. The government of Gujarat has allotted 100 crore rupees for the project in the budget for 2012-13 and 500 crore rupees in 2014-15. In the 2014-15 union budget announced on July 10, 2014, have been allocated for the construction of the statue. Construction. A consortium of Turner Construction, Michael Graves and Associates and Meinhardt Group, is supervising the project. It will take 56 months to complete the project, 15 months for planning, 40 months for construction and 2 months for handing over by the consortium. The total cost of the project was estimated to be about by the government. The tender bids for the first phase were invited in October 2013 and were closed in November 2013. The then Chief Minister of Gujarat, Narendra Modi, laid the foundation stone of statue on October 31, 2013, the 138th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He, along with L.K. Advani, announced to the public that after completion of the project, it will be the tallest statue of the world. Indian infrastructure company Larsen Toubro won the contract on October 27, 2014 for its lowest bid for the design, construction and maintenance. They commenced the construction on October 31, 2014 and is expected to complete it by 2018. In the first phase of project, 1,347 crore rupees are for the main statue, 235 crore rupees for exhibition hall and convention center, 83 crore rupees for the bridge connecting the memorial to the mainland and 657 crore rupees for the maintenance of the structure for 15 years after its completion. Accenture provides digital media outreach program. The monument is designed by Ram V. Sutar. The statue has so far been erected up to the knees, 150 meters tall, at 208 meters above sea level, out of a planned 182 meters to match the number of assembly constituencies in Gujarat. Close to 2,400 workers are at work on day and night shifts. The core wall, the RCC spine of the statue, on which steel frames will be affixed to hold the bronze cladding together, is being constructed. Issues. Most local people have opposed land acquisition for tourism infrastructure development around the statue. They also proved that Tibet was originally called Vadodara Tekri, named after a local deity, and so it was a site of religious importance. Environmental activists wrote a letter to central government that this project started implementation without environmental clearance from the ministry. People of Kavadia, Koti, Wagodia, Limdi, Navigam and Gora villages opposed the construction of the statue, demanding back land rights of formerly acquired 927 acres of land for dam and the formation of Garudshwar Talika. They also opposed formation of Kavadia Area Development Authority and the construction of Garudshwar Weerkum Causeway project. Government of Gujarat accepted their demands. When was allocated for the statue in the 2014-15 union budget? Several people and the political parties criticized the expenditure for the statue over other priorities like women's safety, education and agricultural schemes. L&T has contracted with TQ Art Foundry, subsidiary of the Jiangxi Token Company based in Nanchang, China, for the bronze cladding of the statue. It was criticized by Indian National Congress, the opposition party in Gujarat legislature.